Hey guys, Metal Eagle here again, and today we're going to be talking about the 5 ways to improve your chess. The first method is to join the Slomski's Lessons and Training Club Championship. So let's see the latest one that happened last year in 2020. So, the last one had 123 players and includes famous GMs like Ruslan Ponomarev and Vladimir Fedoseev. So let's see the field. There's a ton of GMs. Scrolling down and down, there's a ton of them. Let's see the second page. There's even more GMs. So even in the third page, there are also more GMs. So if you go to join this tournament that happens every 6 months, there's bound to be a GM or two that are going to play in this tournament. The cool part is, if you lose against a GM, you're going to be learning a lot from the loss. And you can just reform your chess and play your best. And if your best is not enough, then you know how to adjust. I'm looking forward to sharing with you the second method, which is Endgame Simulations. I tell my students all the time, practice your endgames, practice your endgames. And some people says how? But this website has a really great resources of what to do with playing against the computer and just trying out to practice your endgames situation by the category that you see in the list here. So I highly recommend this website for endgame training and basically shoring up your endgame skills. The third method is a great way to find out what you should work on in your chess game. So basically this website is based on just how to scale what sort of measuring of your skills. So at the end of the 25 question quiz that you have, so if I go to the hardest one, 18 to 2000, you have two choices of moves. So I can do g5 or rook c1. I have to just determine which is better from my knowledge. So it'll be 25 of those questions from all ranges of categories, but at the end of the just quiz, I'll be just measuring these factors: openings, middle games, end games, tactics, and strategies. So you can just look at these stats and see where you want to just focus on your energy and study. And hopefully that'll be helpful to know what you need to work on next. Method number 4 is my personal favorite that I use to improve my own game. So it's basically Puzzle Rush Survival mode and tries to test how far your technical skills go. So even grandmasters that I try to train with this mode, is really hard for them at times when basically just measuring every single player and how far they go in terms of tactical depth and tactical accuracy, which is very valuable in chess. So I think I recommend this one most of all. If you have any one of the methods that I've mentioned before, number 4 is really the right one for you. The fifth and final method is to suggest videos in the comment section below. So it'll be about any topic. I just cover a wide variety of topics about opening repertoires, endgames you want to get better at, strategies, and everything that you want to just ask for method and coaching for chess. So I'll provide it for you in the highest quality I can. All the websites for methods 1 through 4 are in the description below, and I hope you find this helpful. So I'll see you in the next video.